Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys a week with my natural hair. I believe I use Camille Rose coconut water collection for this wash and go. Now, I saw something called wet plopping, so that's what I'm attempting to do. Supposedly it's supposed to make your curls more defined. So I did go to sleep like this, and when I woke up, my hair was super wet, so I'm never doing this again. But when I did let my t-shirt down, my curls were super defined, but they didn't dry like that. So yeah, it looks really defined right here. And this is still day one, fresh out of the freaking shower. Now this is when I slept on my hair. As you can see, it's looking pretty flat. And then this is when I came back home from work. So this is what we're working with, and I'm just going to go ahead and take some oil. I am using the Watermelon Bliss by Watermelon Squeeze by Tropical Bliss, and this is my favorite oil. I mean, not my favorite, but one of my favorites because it smells so good, and it does what it needs to do. It hydrates my hair. So I'm just going to go ahead and scrunch that all throughout my hair to kind of get rid of that little cast that it has and kind of fluff my hair up a little bit. So this is a closer shot of what it is looking like. So this is my day 2 hair. We just came back from the Hurricane game versus Virginia Tech. Hurricanes won. Didn't really care. But yeah, this is day 2. My hair is looking pretty darn frizzy compared to how it was looking before because it was so humid and raining outside. So I know I'm gonna have to touch it up again maybe tomorrow or the next day. But yeah, day 2. Okay, so now I'm just gonna go ahead and put my hair up and get ready for bed. This is still day 2, but nighttime. And now we're in day 3. I'm fluffing my hair out a little bit to see the damage and how my hair looks. It's still a little bit defined, but it's a little frizzy. And this is day 4 hair, you guys, and it is completely frizzy. So I'm going to go ahead and touch it up. I'm taking that Camille Rose, their water elixir. I'm just going to apply that to the frizzy parts of my hair and let it air dry overnight. And yeah, it'll be good to go in the morning. All right, so we're on to day 5, and this is how my hair looks after I refreshed it. This is the next day. So my hair does look a little bit better, less frizzy, more defined, and yeah, we'll see how long this lasts. And this is what we're. All right, so my hair looks really big and voluminous. This is day 6 hair, I believe, and so we're just gonna kind of like style it real quick. We're just going to lay my edges. I'm going to put a little bobby pin on that side since it's slightly frizzy. And the reason my hair is getting so frizzy is because I just had like family in town and stuff. And so, yeah, we've been out doing things. But yeah. So this is day, I don't even remember. I think this is day 7, if I believe, if I'm correct. Yeah, so y'all, this is like my hair is going through some things this week because there's just, like I said, family in town. So I don't know what we were doing. I don't remember. I recorded this a while ago, but I'm just going to go ahead and style my hair into a bun to get this hair out of my way, out of my face. And yeah, just apply some Eco Styler gel, and then I'm just going to brush it up into a high bun. And that pretty much concludes a week with my natural hair. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Love you guys.